Just gonna walk around, show you the 1938 yellow coach. Ran down in Bisbee to Warren, number 8. It's been restored at old Pueblo Trolley. Got a lot of work done to it. Paint looks great. I can't see it very good. I don't have a floodlight. Got a 6-cylinder. Sorry about the lighting, but it's got old advertising. They redid them up in here. There's history of the bus. There's one of those old fare boxes I was talking about inside in one of my last videos. New rubber flooring. Looks like seats recovered. Okay.